Welcome, chefs. We are here again, and today we got a beautiful, spirited, special chef, Noemi. Noemi, I have a few questions for you. At your house, do you guys ever make tacos?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what do you like in your tacos?
Cheese and steak.
Cheese and steak. Yum. Sounds really good. Can you tell me, like in your words, what is tie-dye?
It's a bunch of colors mixed together.
It's a bunch of colors mixed together. Exactly. And do you have anything tie-dye at your house?
Yeah. My
What is it?
tie-dye blue shirt. With
Your
some
tie
white.
blue shirt. Have you eaten your tie-dye before?
No.
No. Okay, today we're gonna be eating our tie-dyes. We're gonna tie-dye our tortillas. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
Yes. I think I'm ready to start. Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Boom. Boom and